Hi guys, I'm Mikhila, a working mum and blogger, and today I want to talk to you about hair removal because it's something that we all deal with to some degree and it can be a really annoying chore sometimes. Now I thought I'd cracked it with my DIY bikini waxes until I had to do a last minute bikini wax before we took the kids swimming, and let me tell you, freshly waxed skin and chlorine does not mix. So I was shaving my legs, I was waxing my bikini line, but just generally the face was the area that I was really struggling with because wax wouldn't grab onto those really stubborn hairs. And so discovering this IPL device was an absolute revelation because it's the only thing that I feel like is actually diminishing the amount of hair that is coming back. The SmoothSkin Muse is an IPL hair removal device that breaks the hair cycle, which prevents regrowth and ends up in permanent hair reduction. So I can do this now in front of the TV. If I'm doing my legs, we're talking like 5 to 10 minutes depending how quick I'm actually being. It's really easy to use, but if you don't like it, within 90 days you can actually get your money back. However, I feel like once you actually see what it's capable of, what it can do for you, it's going to feel like a really small investment compared to the time and the money that you could spend on alternatives. So I know you want to see it in action. I'm going to show you how I use it. Make sure that you've shaved the area that you're going to use it on. So for example, I shave my chin now. I have to do that to actually use the device. I was a bit nervous about shaving my face for sure, but I'm not finding any kind of negative effects of that. But I'm going to turn it on. Place it on the area that I want to start. I'm going to press this button, there's going to be a flash, and it's a little bit warm, but it's not too warm, it's not painful at all. And then basically work over the area. So if this was my legs, for example, it would be easier to show kind of working down a leg. I've been using it once a week for more than a month now and I've already seen results. You are supposed to keep using it for 12 weeks, which I absolutely will do. I'm completely converted. I will never go back to any other method really now because it's so easy to do and I can do it in front of the TV, which is just the absolute dream.